Today we have a story that brings together healing, connection, and animals. Brenda and Rob are joining us from Horsesense for Kids, a program that uses equine-assisted learning to support children and youth in building confidence and emotional resilience. They're here to talk about the upcoming premiere of Rescue Hearts, a film that highlights the powerful bond between people and horses, and of course the impact of this work. Brenda, Rob, it's great to have you back in studio.
Thanks for having us.
Okay, so you guys run Horsesense for Kids. Tell us, what's Horsesense for Kids?
Well, we are a registered charity, and we focus on building confidence and emotional resilience in youth in our community through working with horses, of
That's
course.
fantastic. And so this world premiere in Canada that's coming out of Rescued Hearts. So this is a movie that you're working with Pathstone on so that people in the community can have a deeper understanding of how horses really affect people.
Yeah, yeah, for sure. It's a beautiful documentary that I've been following for a little while. A couple of ladies have traveled around the world and interviewed different people about the different healing that they have seen take place with people's interaction with horses. So it's a deeply moving film, and it just really, we're just starting to tap into that side of what horses can offer us and the safe place that they can create to allow for our healing and our journeys in that way. And so the documentary is just a great way to promote what's possible and some of the work that we are starting to do with Pathstones in our programs with them.
So Rob, tell us a little bit, what's the partnership that you have with Pathstone right now related to equine therapy?
We work in conjunction with them. They have some schools and some classrooms, and the kids come out to the farm.
Yep.
And they get to experience horses. They get to experience nature and creation, and that organic experience just changes lives. It is so amazing to watch. And what we were talking about the film, what I like part of the film is talking about the scientific aspects of quantifying what we get to see on a daily basis, but putting science to it. And that was really mind-boggling for me to see the outcomes that they came out with.
So I think it's really unique for people to understand in the community. You know, Pathstone works, with children, struggling with mental health, and how important animals are to that emotional healing that they have. And so the partnership between you and Pathstone is really a unique way and an innovative approach to how mental health can be tackled in our community. And so kudos to you for partnering with us over at Pathstone on this initiative to really be more innovative in the ways in which we tackle mental health issues beyond sort of a traditional sense. So this film is going to premiere at the PAC through the Film House on Saturday, April 25th, right?
Yes, correct.
And it's at 3 o'clock. Tickets are $10.
Yeah. And what's super exciting is the actual filmmakers are going to be there as well. So the ladies that created the whole documentary will actually be in attendance, and you can meet them, and there'll be a discussion and a time of reflection and connection after the film as well with them.
Oh, that is very unique. And what a great way for people that are interested in learning more to really connect with the filmmakers in this capacity. You can go online, purchase your tickets there. Tickets are selling out fast, right? So since this is the first time it's being premiered in Canada, it is that sort of unique opportunity to be able to see it. Rob, Brenda, thank you guys so much for all the work that you do and the partnerships that you've been able to have and opening up your farm to so many in our community. And for our viewers at home, if you're looking to take a look at a really unique documentary, Rescued Hearts, you can go to the Performing Arts website, take a look on Saturday, April 25th at 3 o'clock to be able to get your tickets to watch this viewing and get an opportunity to meet the documentarians. Thanks, guys.
Thank you.
You're welcome.